Welcome back. Money Bags Rico. Today we're going to be talking about Vegas Inu token, some price prediction, technical analysis, also looking at the price of Bitcoin and how that all correlates with this meme coin right now that is shaking up the space. Make sure you guys leave some comments down below, some bullish comments about Vegas Inu if you guys have been already tapped in with them. Maybe you guys probably see my tweet. That matter of fact, we'll take a look at right now. This was October 13th when I said, warning, $1 million market cap incoming. We're having the same kind of thing going on right now. We're going to look at these prices. We'll talk about this support line, what I got right here. But first, we're going to go to Bitcoin and why this matters, right? Because Bitcoin right now is doing something very similar as well. This, Wyckoff pattern with this support line, making a support right on this side. Let's get the arrows out really quick. Got to have the arrows. Got to have the arrows. Okay, right here. And I will say that this area right here where we see that it broke down way lower, this was that SBF era, that was the Celsius era, the Voyager era, the Luna crash, all these things making it very abnormal because if we look, it was technically a Wyckoff pattern. We got Bitcoin, if it breaks past that 37,000, of course, past that psychological barrier into that $40,000 range, which will be really bullish. We got all this right here. We got 39 minutes ago, Bitcoin surges to almost 37,000, triggering some people, loading up right now. Now, the reason I bring up Bitcoin and why it's important, why I think it's important is because when those other meme coins took off, besides Pepe did it in the bear market, almost like Pepe knew the bull market was right around the corner. But when we're talking about Doge and we're talking about SHIB, it happened when Bitcoin was pumping and the whole market sentiment was pretty high. And that's something that we can see right now, that the market sentiment overall for Bitcoin is bullish. The overall market for crypto is bullish. The overall market for altcoins is bullish. The overall market for meme coins is bullish. This is where, as a community, you guys step in. I got a bag. I'm going to add to the bag after this video. You guys help me get this video out there so we can get more people to add to this bag, because all we have to do is stay active, stay looking sharp, stay looking good, because the minute we have that ETF of Bitcoin come in, the minute we get the new investors to also step in, this is going to be brand new money, just like we've seen those OGs. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you're over here in 2021, we get that next round. That's about to happen again. This is secular, okay? This is going to continue to happen. And when it happens this time ago, we want to be looking sharp. We want to be looking in place as Vegas Inu, so people have a home base to come to, because people are going to want to find what meme coin to go to, what utility token to go to. Am I going to be pure blue chip? Am I going to be a degen? Am I going to be trading every day? Am I just going to be hodling? These are going to be all new questions that people are going to be asking when this bull market comes right back around. And we know that we're into this bull market. We see what Bitcoin's doing. We want to right now get past that psychological barrier, just like I was talking about Bitcoin. When we reach these halfway points, we got the overall crypto market at 1.3 trillion. So it's looking good. We go to coin market cap. And speaking of coin market cap, before I get into these prices, the minute we get coin market cap, coin gecko, some of these other things that we can show more on and leave some comments, that's going to help right now. But right now, the ball's in our court right now to stay looking sharp while Bitcoin is doing this thing, attracting new investors, attracting institutional money, retail money, everybody's money, your money, because the time is now. And you want to find which one's going to be that meme coin. We got a meme coin right here with 461 holders. That's going to grow to be a lot much more than just a meme. The only reason I'm saying that right now is because that's what we got on the table, but that's how everything else took off. That's how these things take off, because the number one utility at the end of the day is community. You can build whatever you want to build. If you don't got nobody to use it, it doesn't matter. I've seen that time and time again, where so much gets put into utility and it sounds good on paper, but if there's nobody to use it, if there's no user base for it, it kind of goes, basically unused. So right now we got what it takes, right? Let's get back over this $1 million market cap. Let's call this a deja vu for those who missed out on October 13th when it was looking so good. And I said, last warning, $1 million market cap incoming. They shot past that to $2.3 million market cap and some. And this is that pullback. This is this opportunity. If you guys were like, oh man, I missed out before it pumped up. It pumped up, and I seen the tweet by Moneybags Rico, I didn't take the opportunity. Well, right now, that opportunity is smacking you right in the face. We'll call it deja vu, smacking you in the face and seeing if this is an opportunity that you want to take. We see some buying pressure. Let's get the holders to grow. Let's share this as much as we can. And we'll call our next zone right here. It's pretty noticeable. It's always going to be a little give and take on these, but that's looking like that $1.1 million market cap where basically this push up. Let's take care of this really nice. You guys got me going. This push up, coming back down, making a support to go right back up. Okay, that is not going to always be picture perfect, but most likely it's going to be something like that, something pushing past the $1 million market cap, which is that psychological barrier area, right? And then something holding, coming back down and holding above it, letting traders know like, hey, we got past that psychological barrier and now we're ready to go attack. The next zone is going to be that 1.6 million, and we can continue. Bitcoin's prices continue to pump. All we got to do is make a home base for the new investors, which those who are OGs knows exactly how it's going to be. Euphoria is going to be through the roof. People are going to be pumped up. We're going to be pumped up. This one's not over, okay? This is not over anytime right now, not even getting close. We got a lot to go, especially with a market like this that continues to pump. We got Bitcoin maxing out at 36,888. I'm going to have all the official links down below for Vegas Inu, where you guys can win on some of these buy competitions. We see that it's getting passed out. We're at 461 holders and continuously growing. So that is really good. I'm noticing this is getting higher. The likes and the retweets are getting a lot higher as time continues. And that's what we got to do. This is that era where we just got to make it so fun that everybody's got to come tap in with us, because the money's about to flood in. It doesn't matter who you are, what you are. Right now with Bitcoin doing what it's doing, it's catching everybody's attention. We got banks going down. We got Bitcoin looking like more of a safe haven for people. This is on the daily chart, a little bit more mature, not getting too caught up in the sauce. But this was 1 hour ago. This is Bitcoin surging to 37,000. We're gonna pass right past that surge. On here it says 36,888, but this is the perpetual one, because obviously we're doing some trading on BYDFi. I'll have that link down below where you guys can use some of those rewards. You guys can snatch those rewards off of there and also come back by some VIT if you're really down for the cause, okay? So we're looking at this 1.2, looking for some momentum and pushing up. Load up your bags. We're going to shake the space up. We're going to make some tweets after this as well. Help me get this video, not only just for Vegas Inu, not only just for our bags to pump right past that $1 million market cap, but for crypto altogether, to make that space, to bring that hype, to shake it up and bring the FOMO, because at the end of the day, it's what we believe in and the sentiment is all on us. So if you guys like the sound of that, you guys made it to this part of the video, like and subscribe, share the video, make sure you guys come back for more. Until next time, later.